All right, so the sensor arrived. Now I just gotta get it installed here. Hopefully that'll only take a couple minutes, so then I can get the prints going with this and see if the new sensor fixes it. All right, so the sensor's installed. I had to make sure that the wiring was correct, so I had to disappear for just a minute on that. Next step is to get these tubes here from the dryer box up and around to the filament runout sensor, and then right back down to the nozzle. After that, I'm going to try a bed leveling test, and we're going to see how well that does in comparison to this. All right, I'll let you guys know. All right, so we got filament coming out of the nozzle. So far, so good. Next up is I'm going to do a quick clean through of the bed, and then I'll get time-lapse footage going of a level test. All right, so right now I'm running an auto level test just before I get into the actual printing. Just because my actual G code does not actually do a full auto level before, it just senses where the bed is. I want to see if this sensor works, so let's see how this goes. Okay. Let's try that. Alrighty, so I finished up that auto leveling. I did a manual re-leveling, and then I ran another auto one just to make sure it's all nice and good. Got the Z offset properly. We are going to start up the bed leveling. All right, so it's been a little bit of a couple hectic weeks or so since I was making the leveling systems and all that fun stuff. Right here, I actually made some proto board spacer templates so I can kind of get an idea of how the parts will fit together and actually see if they'll work properly. A couple of issues I ran into is I've got two here that are pretty good on both sides, build side, and then yeah, they look pretty good, pretty uniform. These other two here, this is the top finish, and it's very bumpy, doesn't feel very good. I'm not entirely sure why. My guess is a bed leveling issue as well. I'm not really happy with how this printer is working. The bottoms are great on these, so the adhesion's good. On a couple of other prints I did, I think I did a sheet of 6 of these, and when I started it, it was other two just did not adhere properly. So definitely some more issues with this printer, and I don't really want to sink any more money into it than I absolutely have to. Chances are most of what I'll be doing, I'm probably going to do on a new machine sometime in the next couple of months. School's hectic as well, but just kind of wanted to make this update on some of this. I'll keep trying to fix this printer, and if I get anywhere with it, I will post another video on this. Kind of starting to make more parts and starting assembling, but fortunately right now I'm still running into a lot of issues that I'm not happy with. So I'll keep you guys updated as those go along.